Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport GLX. Now starting off at the front, I am going to walk you through, show you the condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle. First thing that stands out to me is the Pajero Sport's take on the dynamic shield look at the front. So that is the Mitsubishi's current shape for all their vehicles. The glass covered front badging there does tell me the vehicle does have adaptive cruise control, so it will adjust its speed according to the car in front of you. The chrome grille at the front, really nice design there. It does go right into the headlight, and the headlight itself does have that daytime running lamp right in there. Headlights are also projector beams, so they will give you a very clear cutoff for your headlight, or your light, sorry. On that first alloy wheel, really good condition, completely unmarked, even if I am trying to be picky, and plenty of tread left in the tire as well. We have got the chrome side mirrors and door handles. Down the bottom is also a side step to help you get in and out of the vehicle. Now being keyless entry, you can just press the button on the door and it will lock and fold in the mirrors at the same time. Pressing it again will unlock the car. On the inside, quickly take a look. Even on this kind of kilometers, it is good to note that the seats are in good condition, so very well looked after. Even the scuff plates on the doors, and where people get lazy and kick the doors open, very minimal scuffing there. Next alloy wheel, once again, really good condition, so completely unmarked, just like the first one. Making our way along to the back, very well designed back end on these Pajero Sports. You've got the nice sharp tail lights that run through the back there. They are LEDs, and you've got the reverse parking sensors and reverse camera on the back to help you park. In the back, plenty of space here, and this little cover here is to wind down the spare wheel, which is mounted underneath the vehicle. Plenty of storage space in the back of the Pajero Sport though. Keep making our way along. Paintwork all the way along the vehicle does present in really good condition. It is actually all unmarked, even if I am trying to be picky. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, and that next wheel is also completely unmarked. Last and final wheel, because the paintwork is absolutely spot on. That wheel as well is in perfect condition. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. You look under the bonnet, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The ANCAP safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars with 7 airbags, so good to know everyone's going to be nice and safe inside. Power output is 133 kilowatts with a torque rating of 430 newton meters. The diesel fuel tank holds 68 litres and gives you a combined fuel consumption of a very impressive 8 litres per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 850 kilometers from the full tank. You can look inside the Pajero Sport quickly. We have got all your power window controls on the driver's side door. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is the central locking button and your window lock. Now on the right hand side here, you have got the toggle for your power mirrors and a button to let you fold them in. You've also got your forward collision mitigation control, parking sonar and traction control. Your engine start stop button is on that side as well. On the right hand stalk, you've got your indicators and headlights, and on the left hand stalk, all your washer and wiper controls. Now on the steering wheel itself, your cruise control settings are on the right, with the distance setting for your adaptive cruise control, or your media and hands-free controls are on the left. You've also got 2 large paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Now moving on into the center display, it is one of Mitsubishi's second newest system now, but you have got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, AM, FM and digital radio. You've also got USB connectivity and your Bluetooth hands-free connectivity. Down here you've got your climate control, so just selecting the temperature and pressing auto will regulate that temperature throughout the vehicle. Below that, your hazards button. You've also got a few blank buttons if you wanted to add anything extra, your rear air conditioning control and a 12-volt socket. Now the shifter itself, when you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, that is in sports mode and you can switch through the gears manually. You've got your electric park brake back here, the super select forward drive settings, downhill descent control, your off-road controls, and 2 cup holders in there as well. Now this center console, when you open it up, you do get a HDMI input, 2 USB ports, and an actual power point if you wanted to actually plug something in there. If we pan around the interior, you will notice the whole vehicle is in really good condition. On the roof is your rear air conditioning controls, and your rear lights. Roof lining, as you can probably already tell, is in really good condition. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk-around video of this beautiful Pajero Sport. As you can see, in this kind of condition, it has been very well looked after. You should do your part to protect your investment as well. Something I would highly recommend is the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, protect it against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and much more. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. It is going to give you an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. We'll also give you up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance and much more. It is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and show you just how minimal the change in your repayments would be with everything included in there. Now, just before I go, you need to look at our Google reviews as well. We are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So it does show that you are dealing with the right people, buying a good quality vehicle. We like to make the process easy for you as well. Now, if you have any questions, the number to call is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.